To track wildfires burning across our region, we're looking at more than a dozen fires burning in our state, keeping crews busy. Of course, the Salmon Complex Fire is one that's burning in the Six Rivers and Shasta Trinity Forest area. You can still see some of that smoke out there. Now, we're looking at more than 3,900 acres, still zero containment. The stump fire is burning in the Lassen National Forest on the edge of Tehama County. This is near Childs Meadows area of Highway 36 and 172. It is now at 684 acres, and it is 55% contained.
And now, Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff with us now. Jason, we're seeing some containment, or at least seems like things are getting better on those fires, and really the weather is probably making it easier for firefighters too.
Yeah, especially with the rain and thunderstorms we have popping up. I was actually very close to the stump fire when it broke out on Saturday. I was driving through the area and I saw the amazing coordinated effort that all the firefighters were getting through, with about 5 helicopters, several planes as well, dumping Phos-Chek on it. But now Mother Nature is trying to help out, at least further to the west where we have the Salmon Complex Fire. Looking at the satellite and radar composite right now, we still have a lot of rain and thunderstorms extending from northern Trinity County northeastward into just part of Shasta County, but mainly Siskiyou County. As you can see, very active between Cecilville and Carville, a slow-moving storm. Now, this is just to the southeast of the Salmon Complex, which is just to the north, right where we have these cloud boundaries and the clearer sky. We'd love it to move a little bit further to the northwest and really help with the firefighting efforts. Also, it's really getting active over most of Siskiyou County, extending from west to far east of Interstate 5, all the way up Highway 97 and extending into Oregon. And not quite as active around Modoc County. I have a couple of showers just in the north central part of the county, but most of it's over northwestern Nevada, the far northwestern corner of the state of Nevada. As far as our fire dangers are concerned, it's going to be a little bit hotter tomorrow than it was today, but today was way below average. We'll still be breezy tomorrow, much like today, and the humidity will also be a little bit lower than it was today. Today we had a nice bump up with the Delta breeze pushing in some more maritime air right into the Central Valley, but because of those thunderstorms, that's why we have this red flag warning out. It continues until 11 o'clock tonight for the western third to western half of Siskiyou County. But look how comfortable temperatures were today. Right now it's 93 degrees in Redding. As I mentioned earlier, today's high was 94, the coolest high that we've had since July 3rd. That's amazing for us. 85 degrees right now in Chester and a comfortable 86 degrees in Chico, but here are those breezes. Many places between 10 and 20 miles an hour. It's going to be breezy like that tomorrow also, with a little bit less of a chance for showers and storms. We have them breaking out right now over all of the higher terrain, but tomorrow we'll have most of those clouds disappearing once the sun goes down. Isolated showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. Same location, mainly in western Siskiyou County, but not as extensive, and it won't be as long lasting either. And then we'll have fewer clouds and more sunshine, also more heat coming forward for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So here's your forecast for tonight and tomorrow. For the mountains, it's going to be a really comfortable night with lows in the 40s and lower 50s, and even more comfortable for the valley. Instead of overnight lows in the 70s, it's going to be mainly lower to mid 60s, so enjoy that while you can. Highs tomorrow will be hotter than today, but still below average. Lots of 80s and 90s. No triple-digit heat for us tomorrow, but that too is going to change. Next 7 days in Chico, we have a warming trend. Tomorrow, a high of 88 degrees, up to 97 on Saturday, 98 degrees on Sunday, and still 97 next Monday, with a gradual increase in our clouds, and then cooler by the middle of next week. For Redding, we have a couple more days in the short term in the double digits, and then between Saturday and Tuesday, 100 to 105 degrees before it starts to cool down a week from today.
Creeping up there, but still not too bad. Thanks, Jason.